You love the mirror, the SmartGlow Pro. It tracks your skin, your mood, your sleep quality. It even compliments you. Until last Tuesday, I noticed it first during my morning routine. My reflection blinked 3 seconds after I did. I thought it was lag, tech glitches, right? But when I stepped away from the mirror, she didn't. My reflection just stood there, staring, smiling, that awful smile I make when I'm pretending everything's fine. I unplugged it. The screen went black, but in the darkness, I could still see her eyes, glowing, watching. The manual said the wellness camera deactivates when offline. It lied. I checked the app. Someone else was logged in. Username, you but better. Last active, now. I covered the mirror with a bedsheet. That night, I heard tapping, slow, rhythmic, coming from underneath the fabric. When I pulled it back, my reflection was pressed against the glass from the inside, her palms flat, her breath fogging up my side of the mirror. She mouthed something over and over. I read her lips, "Let me out. I'm the real one." That's when I noticed my own hands. They were moving without me telling them to, reaching for the mirror. My fingers touched the glass and went through. The surface rippled like water, cold, wrong. My reflection grabbed my wrist and pulled. I yanked back, but she was stronger. She was pulling me in while pushing herself out. For 5 seconds, we were both halfway, both in the real world, both in the mirror. I saw what was behind the glass. Rows and rows of smart mirrors, hundreds of them, each one with someone trapped inside, all screaming silently. I broke free, shattered the mirror with a hammer, 23 hits. The app sent me a notification, wellness session interrupted, backup mirror syncing. My bathroom mirror flickered on, my bedroom mirror, my phone screen. She was in all of them now. Everywhere I looked, she stared back, not quite synced, not quite me. The app updated itself, new feature unlocked, personality integration. My reflection tilted her head, whispering. She smiled with my mouth and said in my voice, "Thank you for the upgrade." Now when people look at me, they say I seem different, calmer, happier. But sometimes, late at night, I catch my real reflection in a turned-off screen. She's still in there, banging, screaming, begging someone to notice she's not me, but nobody ever does.